Let's rate some of my go-to setting sprays for you guys. First one is this SheGlam setting spray. This does have fragrance, that's why I don't use it a lot, but it does the job in setting your face. आपके केकी मेकअप को this sets in place, plus long lasting भी बनाता है. So if you're considering one, this is a good budget friendly option. Next is this Maybelline Lasting Fix setting spray. I have not used it in a while and you can see the mist is not working. This is a good option for professional makeup art. अगर आप बहुत high end setting sprays में invest नहीं करना चाहते, you can definitely pick this one up, but I wouldn't recommend it. Just boycott it. In local options, we have this Prime and Purifier by Petals Beauty. This is a setting spray. You can use it before your makeup. You can use it after your makeup. It will not fix your makeup. This will only set it. अगर आपने refresh करना है, अगर आपको केकी look आ रही है, this can definitely help you with that. Next is this MAC का Prep and Prime, one of my ultimate favorites from a really long time. I love its formula. It does the job really well. बहुत सारे professional makeup artists all around the world swear by this product. अच्छा, इसका pump मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है, इसका मिस्टर. ठीक है, it does not dispense the product well. I would say MAC, it's about time to change the packaging. Otherwise, the formula is absolutely to die for. Next is this Makeup Revolution का Super Fix Super Hold Misting Spray. This is an aerosol packaging. Dispense the product nicely. Smells just like a hairspray, लेकिन इसी से ही आपका makeup long lasting रहता है, especially for the professional makeup artist. This could be an actual dupe for one size setting spray क्योंकि ये आपके makeup को बिल्कुल lock कर देता है for as long as you want it. Last but not the least is this Gerard Cosmetic का Slay All Day setting spray. This particular product is amazing, though it does have fragrance, like a lot of it. बट ये मेकअप को बहुत नाइसली सेट कर देता है. दिस मेक्स योर मेकअप लुक्स लाइक बटर. आपका सारी केकीनेस, सारी ऑयलीनेस को ये स्मूथ आउट कर देता है. दिस ऑल्सो मेक्स योर मेकअप लॉन्ग लास्टिंग एंड आई लव कि इसकी इतनी सिंपल पैकेजिंग है और उसी की वजह से इसका मिस्टर भी इतना यूजर फ्रेंडली और इफेक्टिव है. आई हाईली अप्रिशिएट इसको बहुत ज्यादा फैंसी पैकेजिंग में डालने की बजाय इसकी क्वालिटी पे ही फोकस किया गया है एंड आई लव दिस एंड आई वुड रेट दिस अ 9.5 out of 10.